Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall be making melon seed soup with Kokonte. These are our ingredients. I have some guinea fowl meat, some blended onions, garlic and ginger. I also have some carrots, fresh tomatoes, onions, pepper and some leftover garden eggs which I'll be adding, and then my seasoning cube, onga seasoning cube, and our musk melon seeds. I'll also make use of salt to taste. So I've already set the fire. I'll begin by roasting the musk melon seed. So we need to roast this until it begins to pop like popcorn. So as soon as it begins popping, it means it is ready for us to take off the fire. Here I'm washing the meat. I've already washed it, but I'll still wash it again. Then I'll transfer it to the saucepan. Please like the video and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you. I've placed the meat on fire and I'm now adding the blended onions, garlic and ginger to it. Then salt to taste and then seasoning cube. I'll wash the musk melon seed to make sure it's very clean before we go ahead and blend. So after washing it, I'll transfer into a blender and add some water, blend and set aside. The meat has been steaming for some time, so I'll add water to this and allow it to continue cooking while I go and sieve the musk melon that I've blended earlier. This is our melon seeds. I'm going to strain it to separate the chaff from the juice. So I'll be straining this 3 times. This is our melon seeds juice after straining it for 2 times. So I'm going to strain it for the last time into the meat. I will now transfer the vegetables to the soup and let them boil together with the soup until they become soft. Then we'll take them and blend. You can use any vegetables you prefer. While we are waiting for the soup to boil, we'll start preparing our kokonte on the other side. So here is our cassava flour, also known as kokonte. We'll transfer some into the pot, add water to it, and then we'll mix until it reaches the consistency that we want. This method is similar to how we prepare banku. This is how we want it. It shouldn't be too thick and not too light. So we have placed it on fire and my sister is the one preparing it, so she will keep stirring consistently until it becomes thick. Now back to our soup. As we can see, the soup is boiling already. The vegetables are now soft, so I'll take them out, allow them to cool a bit, then I'll blend and pour back into the soup. So I've blended the vegetables already, so I'll transfer it into the soup. This takes the soup to another level and also makes it thicker. After some time, I realized the soup was too thick, so I added water to it and then I also adjusted the salt. I'll allow this to keep boiling until we see more oil settle on top of it. Meanwhile, let's check on our kokonte. As we can see, our kokonte is getting thicker already. She will keep stirring until it becomes very thick. There's another way of making kokonte apart from this method, so please, if you are interested, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So as we can see, the kokonte is now very thick, so she will continue to stir it in this manner. Then after that, we'll add some water to it because it is too thick. After adding the water, we'll cover it for some time, then we'll continue from there. Let's cover this and get back to our soup. And here we have our musk melon seed soup, looking so lovely. So at this point, the soup is ready. As we can see, more oil on top of it. We will take this off the fire and wait for the kokonte to get ready, then we can serve. It's now time for us to continue stirring the kokonte, so we'll keep stirring this until it is ready. Our kokonte is now ready. It's now time for us to serve our kokonte with our melon seed soup. So if you have some melon seeds, you can give this a try. The taste is so unique and it goes so well with any type of meal. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do so and also like the video. Thank you and see you in our next video. Meanwhile, you are invited. This tasted so delicious.